U.S. stocks, they fluctuated ahead of the open this Tuesday morning as investors turned their attention to more earnings in central banks. Merck, Pfizer, Aetna all reporting better than expected results before the opening bell, while manufacturing PMI scheduled at 9:45 a.m. and manufacturing ISM and construction spending both due out 10 o'clock in the morning. Now over in the Forex market, we first take a look at the euro-dollar pair, which sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus to start off the session as the pair has broken below the lower boundary of a continuation triangle pattern, calling for further weakness. Short positions below 120.95 are favored, with targets at 120 and 119.75 in extension. Moving on to the British pound US dollar pair, that's currently turning down, while the dollar Japanese yen, that sees further advance. Now the Bitcoin dollar sees the downside prevail as long as 91.47 is the resistance. Trading Central analysts find the pivot point set at 91.47. And in precious metals, gold intraday sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus as gold remains on the downside, capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 13.20.50 are favored, with targets at 13.07 and 13.03 in extension. And lastly, silver intraday, that's under pressure. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on a Tuesday morning, I'm James Sweeney.